In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automate creating faceless clone videos for your social media. That's not actually me. That's an AI clone of me made by HeyGen using this AI automation in n8n, which leverages HeyGen to generate clone videos. These clone videos that I've made, I actually have used them on my own channel, as you can see here with all these shots. None of this was me. I had someone else create these videos and edit them, etc. Everything was using AI other than the person who coordinated it. And the template for this video is going to be inside our free community, AI Automation Hub. Go join that. But if you want more in detail how it actually works, you can use Applied AI, which is our paid community. And inside there's an AI content creation. And in here, we teach you all about leveraging AI, as you can see here, for content creation. So anyway, in here, basically I'll talk you through step by step how this all works, and we'll look at how it connects together. So first things first is send a message. We send a message to the AI agent, basically saying this is what we want the video to be about. It will then create a script and pass that into generate video here. It will then generate the video by sending a post request to HeyGen's API endpoint, basically just sending a message to HeyGen saying, can you do this? Once it starts generating, we then wait. So it will wait like 5 minutes, because it can be that long if it's like a good 2-minute video. But if it's less than a minute, it can be honestly anywhere from 30 seconds to a few minutes. We then have the get, so that's once it's made, we have to go and get it. So we get the status. The status is it done or not? And if it's done, it gives you a URL. We then use that URL to download the video. Now this here could obviously be amended to have the AI agent look up the latest AI news or football games or whatever. This is just a message, but this could be a scheduler, so it runs every morning, for example. And here at the end, we do have download video, but this could then be publish this video to another platform, so like YouTube, whatever it is, LinkedIn, TikTok, Instagram. If you're interested in any of these types of use cases, let me know down below and we can create a full-scale tutorial on that. So first things first, we set up the chat, then we set up the agent. The agent, I just have OpenAI's 4.0 mini model attached and nothing else, just the normal agent. But you could also probably use just a chain or whatever, or you could add tools here to search the internet, etc. So you can see the power if you're going to turn this into a kind of daily run. We then have generate video. Now this generates video from our HeyGen API endpoint. How did we get all of this information? Well, let me show you. So if we go to HeyGen here, this is HeyGen.com, and on here there's a bunch of different things you can do, such as creating these videos. So if we go here, you can see that we have loads of shots that have been made. But also now, something pretty funny is if you've seen the Talking Baby podcasts. So I keep seeing Theo Vaughn, but there's a bunch of people here, as you can see, there's wee baby Ed Sheeran. But yeah, it has loads of stuff here, and also photo to video, which will be cool.
Avatar 4 allows you to turn...
Think of making a video on how to do that, so it'll be like faceless automations. But you can create an avatar, generate an avatar, or just use an existing one. So if we go to avatars here, see I have me, and this is 3 different kind of outfits, right? But then you can also just pick one here, which is pretty cool. So you could do this faceless, you don't have to use your own face, you can use someone else's, and someone else's different voice as well. So in AI voices, there's a bunch of different voices here, so different people, and then there's my voices here. For reference, we're going to be using ElevenLabs for the voice. So ElevenLabs, you may or may not have heard of it, I'm sure you will have, but this is for, essentially they're the best on the market right now for AI voice cloning. And as you know, I'm Scottish, my voice doesn't clone very well. For example, HeyGen.
Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it. The right voice brings avatar videos.
From the videos I gave it generated that voice, whereas ElevenLabs, hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it. It's not perfect, but that's because of what you give it, and then if you fine tune it or not. For example, I give it a lot of tutorials where I'm kind of teaching like this and stuff, and then it picks up on that. But there's different ways you can modify it. But that's out the scope of this video. If you want a more in-depth one of like how we've leveraged it to really get these videos working well, let me know and I can make a video on that. Anyway, if we go back to HeyGen, the way we actually get that API, etc., is we go to the docs. So basically the documentation, create avatar videos. You can get the list of avatars and voices, and then you could use that. So you could add that as an HTTP request inside this here if you have a bunch. But I'm only going to use the one, so we're just going to copy and paste the actual avatar and voice that we want from HeyGen. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. But this here is the big thing we want, generate video. So it's a curl command, which is essentially an HTTP command across the internet using your terminal, basically. And it goes to this endpoint here, and it passes in all of this information. So the information it passes in is your API key to authenticate that it's you. So Luke, I get my own API key from my email, send it in. The content I'm sending is JSON, because that's this here. And then the video inputs, I pass in the character with the ID, and then the voice with the ID, and the text I want it to say, and then the dimensions of the video, because you can make short form size, you can make long form, whatever it may be. So copy this here, then you come in, HTTP, import the curl, and then you paste it in here like this, bam, and then you import it. Now the fields that you need to change are X API key, you need to change that to your API key. To get that, we're going to HeyGen, down here, settings, then subscriptions and API, and then we go to HeyGen API, we can see that it's this here, and you just copy that, and then you paste that in. And then underneath here we have the JSON which appears. So avatar ID, you want this to be your avatar or the one you want to use. And to get that, if we go to HeyGen, go to avatars, and if I open up mine here, I'll show you I want this one, for example. 3 dots, copy avatar ID, and that's it. Boom, paste that in there. For the voice ID, same thing. We go to AI voice, go to me, oops, get voice ID, copy that, bam, paste it in there. So now the only thing we need to do is change the actual text. So to change the text, we do have to, just for reference if you're running this on your own, on your computer, is you have to then copy this here, run this here, because these are the previous nodes, and you'll get like this JSON output. And you need that because that's what you're going to drag in to, because you need to change this to expression. If we pop it open, this here is the JSON.output, and that's because you just drag and drop it from there into wherever it needs to go, like here, like that. Bam, right. Boom, and that's you. This will now generate the video. Now once you've generated the video, you want it to wait. I have it in 5 seconds just because to get each of these nodes to run, so to get these to run independently, so like when you go in it you can run test step. To do that you really need to run the ones before it, so I changed it to 5 seconds just to get it over and done with. But really you're probably wanting this to be about 5 minutes. After that we then have check video status. Now the way we get this is again from the documentation. We have check video generation status. So this here, you see that you get the curl command, you copy that, come back over, same thing, import it and paste it. Now the things that you need here are API key, we'll get it from the same place, as you can see here. But then we also need to introduce the query parameters, so what video are you checking the status on? And to get that, you have to have run all of the previous nodes, as I was saying. And if you go to like generate video, you can see under generate video, we have video ID. And it's that you want to have inside here. Oops. And then put that in there. And that will then get the status. Now, once you've run this, you can then download the video and you just open up an HTTP, you have the get, and then the URL, because you don't have to import a curl here. The URL you need is the URL that from this check video status. We have this video URL, you drag and drop that in there, and bam, that's you. Simple as that. And then this workflow then, from start to end, will create the video. So I'll say, thanks for watching, get the template in my free school community. And if we check what's AI agent pulling in, it's pulling that in there. Boom. And instead of waiting 5 minutes, what we'll do is we'll test this step, test this one, test this one first. You can come here to HeyGen to see the status of it. Oh, there you go. Boom, ready. So we can come back here, we'll test this step, and we'll get back the URL. Then open up download video, test this step, and then it will pull it here. I wonder what it's actually said. Let's see. It sounds like you're promoting a template and referring to your school community. If you need assistance with crafting a message or post regarding that, or if you have any specific questions about the template or community, feel free to share more details and I'd be happy to help. There you go. Now the reason that it's done that is because I passed this message into the AI agent, so then it's actually created a response, as you can see here, and then that's the response is what's been used here. If you just want to go straight to script, you can remove the agent here, you can just go straight to that, and then you can update the generate video. If we go down here, and instead of JSON.output here, like that, you can bring in chat input, and then you can turn the chat into the video, just like that. And now if you want this template completely for free, as I was saying, you can head on over to AI Automation Hub, my free skill community, where I cover a bunch of different templates, every one that we've covered on the channel, as well as every single tool we've ever covered on the channel is here. So like every one ever. Say you want to learn about Firebase Studio, go Firebase, search up top, and there you go, all the different videos that cover Firebase. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.